something magical about trains and Christmas. Trains and Christmas just seem to go together. And whether it's the memory of the Lionel train running around the Christmas tree, or that favorite Christmas gift that was a locomotive that you unwrapped on Christmas morning. Maybe I'm projecting with that, but trains and Santa, trains and Christmas, trains and the tradition of the Yuletide season just go together like a hand in glove. And so trains, our trains particularly, are a favorite pastime, our favorite memory-making activity, and a great tradition of many people in our area. And we've had the blessing of our trains being sold out every year, and we're on track for that this year. But that in mind, we added a new car on our train. It's something that we're very much excited about. It's a Pullman car that has been decorated as the ghost of Christmas past. So it kind of has a haunted vibe to it, an old spooky vibe, but yet it's still Christmas. We are blessed with wonderful volunteers. We have been from the outset of our program.
Well, right now we're spending, what, 8 o'clock to...
It's an 8-hour day.
4:35 every day.
We used to work a 10 to 12-hour day, but that's when we were just doing it in 5 days.
Yeah.
There are Christmas trees and Christmas decorations and nutcrackers and polar bears and all sorts of things. It's just absolutely beautiful, Victorian themed, of course, and all of that magical transformation happens thanks to the work of our volunteers each year.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Keep an eye on it, would you?
Merry Christmas! We both get red! We all get red, Brianna!
And remember, it is all about kindness. Merry Christmas. I'll see you in a few weeks. God bless. Merry Christmas.